Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Anbarasu. So today we are going to discuss about architecture of Android OS. Let's quickly jump into the agenda section. So today topic is like the major one architecture of Android OS. So along with that we'll discuss about what is SDK, what is DVM, it means Dalvik Virtual Machine, and what is their process, what is a thread, and how application is running inside Dalvik Virtual Machine. Everything we're going to cover today. Yeah, let's go to the section. First one, what is the architecture of Android OS? Guys, architecture of Android OS is having a 5 major block, starting from bottom. Okay, not from top, starting from bottom. First block is the Linux kernel, red color block at the bottom, and second block is the yellow color block, that is Android runtime. On top of that we have, so these two blocks are already there in your Android mobile, so we no need to download this. When you started developing application, you're going to download third block and the fourth block. Third block is the libraries block and fourth block is the application block. When you download an SDK, right, to start developing Android application, if you're downloading SDK, that SDK includes this third block and the fourth block. This is the green color block and the blue color block, and without this block you cannot create Android application. So for creating Android application, this two block is mandatory, and the last one block is the fifth block. This is grayed out at the top, and this is your application block. If you are creating any application, your application is placed inside that application block. Like in your launcher screen, we have in your mobile, in the application launcher, we have lots and lots of application, right? So that is that application layer. So if you're placing your up there, it will be listed. So not confuse. Linux kernel is the first block, and Android runtime is the second block. These two are already there in your mobile, so we need not to download these. And third block, fourth block is the library block that we need to download for developing Android application. It is mandatory. And the fifth block is what? Our application block. Let's go to the next section. So what is the Dalvik Virtual Machine? As I said before, Dalvik Virtual Machine, it is there at the second block. The first block is the Linux kernel. So lots and lots of drivers are loaded in your memory, I mean Android mobile already. And same like drivers, we have the Dalvik Virtual Machine that is already there in your Android mobile, Android hardware. Like see the yellow color block and Dalvik Virtual Machine block is listed there, and this is the traditional version of virtual machine. Okay, Dalvik Virtual Machine is the traditional version of virtual machine in Android 4.4 OS. The KitKat OS, they have introduced a new virtual machine called Android runtime. So inside of that Android runtime only application is running, but internally it is Dalvik Virtual Machine, and below of that it is a Linux OS. So this is also a part of mobile hardware, so we no need to download this. So every application is running inside its own TV, own Dalvik Virtual Machine. It's not only one Dalvik Virtual Machine. In your mobile, one Dalvik Virtual Machine is there, but you are running an application. Clone of the Dalvik Virtual Machine is created for your app, and inside the Dalvik Virtual Machine your app is running. And the next section is what is SDK. The third and the fourth block is SDK. We can say that as a software development kit, and it's a collection of lots and lots of libraries. It's a bundle of software packages, we can say. Software development kit includes all the libraries that we need to develop an Android application. For example, if you are writing an application for Wi-Fi or Bluetooth using Wi-Fi hardware, Bluetooth hardware, and you no need to write a code from scratch. You don't want to write a code from scratch. Just download the SDK, and that SDK includes Wi-Fi library, Bluetooth library, and then access that library to achieve whatever we want. So we don't want to write code from scratch. So everything is already written, that is placed in that software development kit SDK. It is there already. We do not want to write anything. So just download that software package and place it in your directory somewhere in your computer, and Using that we can simply develop an Android application. So this is about software development kit, and let's go to the next part. What is the process? Every Android app is a process in Android device. For example, if you're starting a Gmail app, Facebook app, Twitter app, so we say that as an application, but technically it is a process. Yeah, Gmail app is a process, Facebook app is one process, and Twitter app is one process. So in our app, right, in our Android mobile, right, three application we have launched, and three applications are running parallelly. So we can say Android OS is a multi-process OS because it is running multiple application parallelly, right? So we can say Android OS is a multi-process OS. If you wanted to check in your device, just go to your home screen and then tap on the recent button. It will list out all running applications. See the screenshot right side. Lots of applications are running. 1 2 3 4 5 6, more than 6 app is running. So that is why we can say Android is a multi-process OS. The next section is what's a thread. A thread is a small worker. Okay, a thread can perform a small task, and in our application we can create n number of threads. Like as I said before, we can say a process as an application. Every application is a process. So let's take one application, and inside that application, if you are creating multiple threads, that multiple threads are running parallelly. So app is able to run multiple threads. So that is why Android app is a multi-threaded app. So every application is able to run multiple threads parallelly. So for example, like we have already launched our Gmail app. Let's take that part, one application. Take one application. Inside that application, I click on mail compose. Okay, in Gmail app, I'm clicking on compose mail option, and I wanted to send some attachment to my friend along with some mail content. So I'm uploading one attachment that is around 25 to 30 MB. Thread 1 is started uploading it. 1%, 2%, 3%, so something like it is going on. Uploading is going on. Thread 1 is doing that upload function. Okay, and thread 2, like whenever I started typing something in the mail content, right, that time thread 2 is keep on checking typo in my mail contents. You can parallelly see uploading is happening. When I type something in my mail content, text type is also happening, and meanwhile thread 2 is checking for a typo in my mail contents. So multiple threads are, this is the best example. So we can say every Android application is a multi-threaded app. And the next section is how application is running inside the Dalek virtual machine. So this is very important, guys. Many of tutorials, they will not cover this section. So let's have a quick look about how Android app is running inside the Dalek virtual machine. As I said before, Linux is the bottom OS, and inside your mobile Linux is running. On top of that, Android OS is running. Android OS is attached with the Dalvik virtual machine. Okay, Linux I have not mentioned here. So on bottom of that Android OS, consider Linux is running. So now, like when I tap on Gmail app, so what will happen? So that DVM clone 1 is created for Gmail app. Inside the DVM clone 1, Gmail app is running. If I tap on Facebook app, DVM clone 2 is created. Inside that, Facebook app is running. If I tap on another app, DVM clone 3 is getting created. Inside that, another app is running. So same like if you are starting n number of application, n number of DVM clone is there in your app. Okay, and inside every application, like multiple threads are running. So let's quickly see that the green color section, Android OS. Android OS is running multiple application parallelly, right? Multiple process parallelly. We can say application as a process. Okay, so Android OS is able to run multiple process parallelly. So we can say Android OS is a multi-process OS. Now take one process, Gmail process. Okay, a process is an application. Nice. Now Gmail app is running. That Gmail app is able to run multiple threads parallelly. So an Android application is able to run multiple threads, it means. So we can say Android app is a multi-threaded app. This is how app is running, thread is running, your process is running. So these are these all app is running inside Android OS. That's all about, guys. Let's quickly summarize what we have covered today. And architecture of Android we have covered 5 sections. First 2 section is already there in your mobile. Next two section we are downloading, and the fifth section, fifth block is what our application block, SDK software development kit. Without this we cannot develop application, so we need to download this. Dalu virtual machine is the runtime for Android. Inside this Dalu virtual machine app is running. So what is a process? Every application is a process. If Gmail app is running, Gmail is a process. Facebook app is running, Facebook is a process. What's a thread? Inside Gmail application, file attachment is uploading, error checking is happening. So these are the threads. These are multiple threads running inside single application. So we can say application is a multi-threaded application. How app is running inside the virtual machine? When you tap on any app, right, your OS getting clone of DVM1. Inside the DVM1 your app is placed. If you tap on another app, DVM2 is created. Inside DVM2 your app is placed. Same like if you're creating n number of app, n number of DVM clone is there, and every app having its own DVM process running. So that's all about the section, guys. Let's meet in the next session. Thank you.